9 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Amory, or 34 miles north of River Falls, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Amory, Frederick, Luck, Clear Lake, Balsam Lake, Milltown, McKinley, Range, Joel, Straight Lake Wilderness State Park, Deronda, and Wanderoos. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Polk, Wisconsin. Tornado